This video presents a typical everyday use of the congestion forecasting tool for the power system load flow steady-state calculations, which could be used for the following purposes. Calculations of load flows, losses, complex voltages, and alarms on each branch and node of the power system. Studies on new generation connections. Checking transient stability through rough estimation using angle differences on the branches of the power system, and educational purposes for young engineers in the industry and students at the universities, the possibility to work with 4 different types of load flow calculations. This video presents the load flow calculation process performed by the Congestion Forecasting Tool, or CFT, through the following steps. By pressing the Select from DB button, the dialog form is launched and the user can define models to be imported and/or merged in the CFT work case. By pressing the Import Merge from DB button, the predefined network models are being imported and/or merged in the CFT work case. The network model is imported, cross-checked, optionally merged, and saved into the database. Also, the same network model is shown in the active work case of the CFT. In the Load Flow Settings tab, the user can define all necessary load flow parameters: load flow method, tolerance, number of iterations, user interface features, and other load flow options. In the Contingency Analysis Settings tab, the user can define the steady-state load flow thresholds, voltage thresholds for all voltage levels, line and transformer load flow thresholds, and the angle difference threshold. By pressing the Run Load Flow button, load flow calculation is activated. The user can track the load flow calculation process through the Status Info window, which is automatically launched immediately after activating the load flow calculation process. After the load flow calculation ends, the user can read the results by pressing the Results Calculate button in the drop-down menu. The user can read and export node results, branch results, and system summary results. Here, the CFT presentation of the network and full results in the tree view mode are shown, which improves the power system visualization. The CFT table presentation of the node results is shown here. Voltage modules and angles, active and reactive power generation and consumption limits. The CFT table presentation of the branch results is shown in this picture. Active and reactive power flows on both ends of the branch, losses, rated and actual current flows, percentage of loading, and angle differences. The CFT table presentation of the system summary results is shown here. System active and reactive power generation, consumption, losses, import, export, and transit. The user can also read the alarms by pressing the Alarms Calculate button in the drop-down menu. The user can read and export the following tables with alarms: generators out of limit, voltages out of limit, overloaded branches, and angle differences out of limit. Here, the CFT table is shown, presenting alarms regarding the generators out of limit. Here, the CFT table with alarms regarding the voltages out of limit is shown. The CFT table presentation of alarms regarding the overloaded branches can be seen here. The CFT table presentation of alarms regarding the angle differences out of limit is presented here.